Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the phrase sweet sounding. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is sweet sounding. Let's break it down. First we have sweet, which rhymes with meat and feet. Then comes sound, which sounds like sound in round or found. Finally, ding, which sounds like the ding in ring or sing. Now let's put it all together. Sweet sounding. Try repeating after me. Sweet sounding. Now a little faster. Sweet sounding. And at full speed. Sweet sounding. Keep practicing, and soon this phrase will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Sweet sounding refers to a sound that is pleasant, melodic, or harmonious. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce sweet sounding and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words or phrases you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.